Next, what will happen during exhalation? Exhalation means the expelling of the air outside of the body. So the opposite phenomena will happen in case of exhalation. The rib muscles or intercostal muscles will relax. So what will happen? The rib cage will be smaller in size again, means it will come back to its original position. I said that as the rib muscles will come in the relaxed position, so the rib cage which was enlarged, that will be smaller in size, and again the rib cage will come back to its original position. You see the downward arrow is mentioning, that means rib cage is coming to the original position. How? As the rib muscles will contract, so the rib cage will come to the original position. I said that in case of inhalation, the diaphragm was flattened. Diaphragm was creating the downward pressure upon the abdominal abdominal organs, extremely sorry. But in case of exhalation, what will happen? The diaphragm will relax and it will moves up, so it will form the dome shape formation. Clear? The diaphragm will come back to the normal position, which is the dome shape. So diaphragm will push the thoracic cavity upward side so that it can come to the original place. Okay, and as the place is decreasing, that means inside the lungs the air pressure is increasing. In case of inhalation, that was the enlarged area. So I said the air pressure inside the lungs, that was very little. But here you see, as the diaphragm is pushing back the rib cage, so as the rib cage is coming back to the normal position, that means the cavity of the lungs, that is also decreasing. So decreasing area means what? The pressure inside lungs, that is very high. So but the pressure outside the body, that is in atmosphere, that is very less in compared to the pressure inside the body. So what will happen? Forcefully the carbon dioxide will leave the lungs and it will come out through the nostril to the outside of the body. What I said, the steps in case of exhalation of air, at first rib muscles will come to relaxed position, so the rib cage will get smaller and it will come to the original place. The diaphragm will come to the relaxed position, it will moves up, it will form the dome shape. Okay, so diaphragm will start pushing the chest cavity as well as the lung cavity, so the lung cavity will also be decreased. Decreased area means what? Pressure inside the lungs will be very high in compared to the pressure outside the body. So as inside the lungs pressure is higher, so the means CO2 with the higher pressure will leave the lungs and it will come outside of the body through the nostrils. That is the simple procedure of the exhalation. But the inhalation and exhalation procedure I will send in one flowchart also. That also please you study.